I was talking about the interplay between the media, politics and law. So I try to explain how the media are important and powerful tools in democratic politics, and how they need to be regulated by constitutional laws and laws in general, yet at the same time how they profoundly influence the political world we live in. Well, I don't make difference between students from UK, United States, Czechia or China. I love all students, and I feel very privileged that I can teach students from all around the world. And I believe that students are the same in their hunger for information and in their hunger for knowledge, and this is what I appreciate most. And they dare to think, and they dare to think critically, and this is one of great hopes, that students want to speak openly and critically all around the world. I try to illustrate how different the roles of the public media and private media are, and how necessary it is for modern society to preserve the public media, especially face-to-face political interference, but also entertainment and private money interference. So I try to explain how every open and democratic society has to nurture its independent media, and not for the benefit of objectivity, this is nonsense, but for impartiality and plurality. I think the biggest challenge is for the media forms, because traditional media such as the printed press is in complete crisis, but even radio or TV are changing fast in the environment where you have constant access to information from anywhere in the world. So the role of social networks is becoming increasingly controversial and stronger. And I think the main question is how to keep politics reasonably insulated, and the public world reasonably insulated from entertainment, so that politics doesn't become just a matter of money and entertainment. I believe that law, unlike politics, for instance, does very well in globalization, because law doesn't need nation states, but it needs enforcement, and we can see many transnational global organizations with their legal regimes, with their legal orders. So I don't see that many legal challenges. I see a lot more political and social challenges, especially growing divisions, economic divisions, and the gap between the richest and the rest. It's a global phenomenon in democratic countries as well as in authoritarian countries, and the question is how the world can cope with these new divisions and new structural tensions in economy, but also in politics and in environment, for instance.